Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up annuity quotes on annuity.org, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the annuity.org website to get started. Locate and click on the Annuity Quotes section from the main menu. You will be presented with a form to fill out. Begin by entering your personal information, including your name and contact details. Next, provide your age and the age at which you plan to retire. Indicate the type of annuity you are interested in, such as fixed, variable, or indexed. Select the amount of money you wish to invest in the annuity. Make sure to specify your desired payout options, including lump sum or periodic payments. Review the additional questions regarding your financial goals and preferences. Once you have filled in all the required fields, double-check your entries for accuracy. Click on the Get Quotes button to submit your information. The site will then generate a list of potential annuity options for you. Take your time to review the quotes provided. Each quote will include details like the insurance company, estimated payout, and terms. If you find an option that interests you, consider clicking on it for more information. You may also want to compare multiple quotes to see which best suits your needs. After thorough review, decide if you want to proceed with contacting the insurance company. If you do, follow the prompts to get in touch or request further information. Keep your financial goals in mind as you evaluate your options. That's how you set up annuity quotes on annuity.org effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.